Today we are going to share some point about the coronavirus. It is our history that our world faced and facing different disasters which harms the humanity in a very crucial way. 2019 and 2020 we did a lot of development but still failed to challenge the world of microorganism. We are facing a disastrous virus, the coronavirus. A coronavirus is a set of viruses having a cron-like spikes glycoprotein on the surface which helps in attachment with the host cell. We will discuss in detail about the coronavirus, the structure, etiology, pathology, signs and symptoms, and treatment and prevention of this virus. Our history depicts that the coronavirus for the first time arises from the China and attacked the humanity in 2002-2003 and infected 8,000 people and killed 800 people. This form of coronavirus was called as SARS coronavirus 1, that is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, because it attacked the respiratory system. In 2012, another virus arises from the Middle East, from the South Europe, and affect 2,500 people and killed 800 people. This form of coronavirus is called as MERS, that is MERS, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus. In 2009, not the coronavirus but influenza virus spread all over the world and infect millions of the people. Now, 2019 to 2020, facing an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered form of the coronavirus called SAR2 coronavirus, that is called as COVID, infected 300,000 people and killed 14 to 13 to 14,000 people and spread it 186 countries. How this virus originate and how it spread we will discuss later. Some important points about the family of this virus, that is the genera. It has four genera. The subfamily Orthocoronavirinae of the Coronaviridae family classified into four genera of the coronavirus: the alpha coronavirus, beta coronavirus, delta coronavirus, and gamma coronavirus. Rather, the etiology, rats and the rodents, they are the gene source of the alpha coronavirus and beta coronavirus, while the avian species seems to present the gene source of the delta coronavirus and gamma coronavirus. Now the COVID-19, that is the virus now spreading all over the world and killing a massive amount of people. So now we will discuss some point that from where this virus originate and how we knew about this virus. An epidemic case with an unexplained lower respiratory tract infection detected in the Wuhan, the largest metropolitan area in the China's Hubei province, was first reported to the World Health Organization office in China on December 31st, 2019. As they were unable to identify the causative agent, the first cases were classified as the pneumonia of unknown etiology. The China Center of the Disease Control and Prevention and the local CDCs organized an intensive outbreak investigation program. The etiology of this illness is now attributed to a novel virus belonging to the corona family, that is COVID-19. Some of the characteristics of the COVID-19 is given below. That it has a spike protein. It is the largest, or we can say large type 1 transmembrane protein containing two subunits S1 and S2. S1 mainly contain a receptor binding domain RBD, which is responsible for the recognizing the cell surface receptor. That is the ACE inhibitor present in the endothelial lining of the lungs, and it also causes the damage of the mainly beta pneumocyte 2. It has the envelope protein, which is derived from the human cell membrane. It has the hemagglutinin, which is responsible for the coagulation of the RBCs, and it has a single-stranded RNA nucleotide into the cell, into the virus, and it also has RNA dependent RNA polymerase, which is responsible for the replication of the RNA, and protease enzyme, which is responsible for the breakdown of large polypeptides into smaller peptides of the virus. So here we have the structure of the coronavirus, having a spike protein on the surface, which is help in the response, which help in attachment. Then we have the RNA and N protein. Then we have the hemagglutinin. Then we have the RNA and the protease inside. And now we have the structure of the spike protein, which is very important for the attachment of the virus to the host cell. And the scientists, they are trying to inhibit the